डटी लोग
जिसने जेन्युइनली कभी नहीं एक्सपीरियंस किया उसका तो नया ही है,
मेंटल मैजिक तो
लेमैन ही है।
मेंटल हो जाते
जैसे
हैं।
मैंने कभी नहीं करी तो I don't know।
मैजिक सेशन गोइंग ऑन।
नहीं मैजिक सेशन नहीं चल रहा, हिप्नोसिस चल रहा है। हिप्नोसिस एक एक वर्ड काउंट। तो एक बहुत ही क्विक एक्सपेरिमेंट है। देखो हिप्नोसिस में ना मेन 3 डाउट होते हैं। पहला डाउट ये होता है कि ये फेक है। अब ये फेक है कि रियल, उसके लिए सबसे पहली बात ये है कि जब आपने पहले मान ही लिया कि ये फेक है, इसका मतलब आप पहले से जज कर चुके हो उसको कि ये फेक है, तो तुम एक्सपीरियंस नहीं कर पाओगे। मतलब तुमने ये मान लिया कि रसगुल्ला मीठा है, तुमने कभी जिंदगी में खाया नहीं है, तो खा के देख मजा आता है। फैक्ट यही है। दूसरा डाउट होता है कि हिप्नोसिस में ना जो वीक माइंडेड लोग होते हैं वो हिप्नोटाइज होते हैं, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है। हिप्नोटाइज होना एक स्किल है। अगर तुम किसी आइडिया को लेके उसे फील कर सकते हो तो ये तुम्हारे अंदर की स्किल है, मेरी नहीं। मेरा काम है तुम्हें गाइड करना अगर तुम उसको एक्सपीरियंस करना चाहते हो। थर्ड थिंग इज हिप्नोटिस्ट से बड़ा स्टार वो होता है जो हिप्नोटाइज होता है। क्यों होता है वो स्टार? उसके पास वो स्किल है। तो लेट्स से अगर व्हाट्स योर नेम ब्रो? संजय। संजय फॉर एग्जांपल अगर मैं तुम्हें बोलूं कि इमेजिन योरसेल्फ होल्डिंग अ बलून, होल्ड आउट योर हैंड्स लाइक दिस, इमेजिन यू आर होल्डिंग अ बलून हियर, इट्स अ बलून, गिव इट अ कलर, व्हाट कलर इज दिस? रेड कलर बलून। आई मीन ये कोई प्लेन है या इस पे कुछ लिखा है? प्लेन बलून है। ओके, इट्स अ मीडियम साइज बलून, राइट? नाउ क्लोज योर आइज एंड सी द सेम बलून इन योर माइंड्स आई। Imagine yourself holding that balloon. You don't need to give me any review. Just go inside your mind and feel it, and experience the pressure of the balloon between your palms. Feel the texture of the balloon between your palms. And when you are seeing this, feeling this, and experiencing this, it means you are connected. Now add one more sense and imagine there is a little hole in the balloon. Air is coming out. Balloon is shrinking. That's right. And as it is shrinking, you can see the effect. Getting smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller, and the moment your hands touch each other, just take a deep breath and relax yourself. Relax yourself, keep your eyes shut. I want you to take this experience to the next level. And now you have just experienced how your body can take an idea and convert it into a reality. Now slowly let your hands come down, and as your hands come down, imagine yourself becoming more and more relaxed. Imagine yourself walking down, and imagine there's a staircase in front of you, and there are 10 stairs, and you're standing on the 10th stair. And now I'll start counting 10 to 1 with each and every number. Imagine yourself going down, 10, 9, go more and more deeper, focus on your breathing, 8, and as you are going deeper, imagine yourself becoming more and more relaxed. Don't worry, you will not fall. I'm holding you. 7, 6, 5, and when we reach to number 1, I'll say the word sleep. Sleep means you'll be completely relaxed. 10 times deeper than this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and sleep. Relax yourself completely going deeper. That's right. Sleep. That's right. In a moment, I'll touch your right hand, and imagine your right hand is somehow lifting up. What would it feel like if it is lifting up all by itself? That's right. That's right. Fantastic. That's right. Fantastic. That's right. That's right. And as it is going up and up, you're going deeper and deeper and deeper and deeper and deeper. That's right. That's right. That's right. And this time it's happening automatically. This time it's more real, and you're experiencing this. Pace of this hand is telling everyone that yes, it is coming all by itself. That's right. And as it is coming up, allow yourself to come more and more deeper. And as you're going deeper, your hands are coming up, 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 up in the air. That's right. Up, 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 up. That's right. That's right. That's right. And now in a moment I will push your arms down and I'll say the word sleep. You will be 10 times deeply relaxed. Your body will fall forward. You will stand on your feet, but your body will fall forward like you are wearing a very heavy helmet. Your head will fall forward. Your body will fall forward. I'll pull you, don't worry. Just lose all the control of your body. In a moment I'll push your hands down and I'll say the word just sleep, going deeper down and deep. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and sleep. That's right. That's right. Going deeper, deeper, deeper down and sleep. That's right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and sleep. Going deeper down, down, and sleep. Now, in a moment, I will ask you to open your eyes. When you will open your eyes, you will be fully awake. But the moment I'll say the word sleep, this time you will go 10 times deeply relaxed. In a moment, I will ask you to open your eyes. You will feel very fresh, very energetic. You will feel very, very amazing. But the moment you will hear me saying the word sleep with a click of my finger, you will instantly close your eyes and you will go 10 times deeply relaxed. Deeper than this. This time you may fall, but I'll hold you. Don't worry, you will not get hurt. Feeling very fresh, energetic. 1, 2, 3, open your eyes wide awake. Everybody wants to know the experience. What exactly happened? कब किस point तक you were faking it and किस point के बाद ये होने लगा?
ये automatically starting में I was just trying to fix this up, like थोड़ा सा
उसके बाद ये एक्सपीरियंस कुछ बहुत ओके व्हेन आई आस्क पूछते हैं when I touched this hand I felt like you lifted it
Yes.
you did it right but what happened when I touched this hand
Please also lift.
you didn't I mean इसमें you were more conscious I felt
Yeah.
everybody felt ना ये अपने आप आया but
Right,
this
right.
was like वो automatic
Automatic.
you know this is very amazing if you pay attention on this hand even your eyes are open just see keep it here let it happen if it happens sleep 5 4 3 2 and sleep deeper down and sleep now I want you to imagine like you just control your hands and like something just happened like your hands begin to float all by themselves now I want you to experience this and take this idea of having your eyes shut and locked and glued imagine your eyelids are completely shut and glued what would it feel like if there is a moment where your eyes are glued, stuck, sealed, bonded, welded, and you are trying to open them but they are not opening. Take this idea and make it real for you. And when you think your eyes are not opening, I want you to try harder and harder, and they are going stuck. They're getting stuck, more and more, locked and stuck. Even if you're trying harder, they are stuck, completely locked and stuck. That's right, and they're stuck, stuck. That's right. Even if you're trying harder and harder, they are stuck. That's right. Fantastic. Now stop trying, and this stuckness is now traveling in your legs. Your feet are completely glued and stuck to the ground. When you will try to lift your right leg up, your left will become more stuck. And even when you try to lift your left, your right will more stuck. Like your eyelids are stuck, your legs are also stuck. I want you to try to lift your left leg, and it's stuck. Even if you open your eyes, you will feel this stuckness is becoming more and more solid, firm and real. And they're stuck and stuck. And stuck. That's right. That's right. Now I'll touch your eyelids. Your eyelids will pop open, but your legs will become 10 times more stronger. Now try to lift. They're stuck. Sealed, bonded, and they're stuck and stuck. Try harder and harder. Even use your hands. Hold your knee. Use your hands. Grip it solid. Stuck. And look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Feel that your arm is completely made up of solid iron. Completely made up of solid iron. And like, look at me just here. And it's so solid that I cannot bend it. So solid that I cannot bend it. Make it so stiff. That's right, stiff. And now, like your feet are stuck. This shoulder is stuck here. Try to bend it down. You can't. It's going up and up. It's not going down. Try to push it down. Use your other hand. And now this hand is stuck here. Stuck. Try to push it. Try to separate your hands. They are stuck completely. Completely stuck. What's your name? Your name is stuck here. You won't be able. You will be able to say everything, but you will never be able to say your name until I ask you. What's your name? What's my name? My name is Ravinder. Do you know anybody here?
No, sir.
No. Do you know this guy?
No.
What's your name?
Pratik.
What's his name?
Pratik.
Pratik. What's my name? I just said Ravinder.
Ravinder.
Look at me. What's your name? Try harder. Even if it's coming on your tongue, but it's going away. Look at me. This is your name. What's your name?
Sanjay.
This hand is beats. Fantastic. Ladies and gentlemen, for Sanjay.